In this video, we'll be learning how to upload files in Laravel. So I'll be giving the link to the documentation, this one, on the description. So you can check this documentation and maybe learn more or follow along with this video. So here we can see that inside the controller, we are having a file method. Inside the request, we are having a file method, and inside that we are having store. So we'll be using this method to store a file. So let's go to our IDE, and here we can see we are having lots of route here. So let's remove all this since we don't need this anymore. So these were created for the previous video. So if you haven't watched those videos, go back and watch that. Okay. So we are having an index. Okay, let's keep that. Maybe we can create a new controller. So let's open the terminal. And here we can type PHP artisan make controller and name of the controller. So we are creating the controller upload manager, hit enter. Okay, you can see the controller is created. So let's go to the controller upload manager here and let's create a function. So let's create a function upload file. And here we have to receive the request. So call the request class. So you have to choose the request class inside the Illuminate HTTP. This one, okay, Illuminate HTTP request. So you have to add this use statement on the top, and after that you can specify the request here. Request, okay. So we are using this request, okay. So don't make mistake here. Add the proper use statement on the top, okay, and create a variable $request. And here we'll get the file that we are going to pass. So let's go to our view part. So let's use this welcome. And here we are already having a form. So let's use this. So let's change the route. Okay. So we have to create a route. So let's keep it blank for now. Okay. Okay. And we are going to use the post method itself. We have to add one more thing, that is encrypt equal to, we have to set it to multi-part form data. Okay. And here we can remove all these input tags. So let's remove all this. And we only need one input tag for the file. So input. And we can specify the type to be file. Okay. Give a comma and give the name for the input tag. Okay, so we are giving the name file upload. Okay, so we'll be using this name. So give the name properly according to your use case. Okay. Okay, now our form is ready. Okay, so let's go to the route and create a new route. So we'll be creating a post request. So we're going to create a post route. So route post method, and let's give the URL something like /upload/file. Okay. Or let's keep it to /upload. Okay, /upload. Now we're going to call the new controller. So let's call the controller, that is upload controller. Upload manager. Okay, upload manager and class, give a comma, and then call the function that is upload file. Okay, so let's hit and enter from here. Okay, give a semicolon. Okay, so hope it is visible for you. So we can change this from here to the top. So click here and type Alt Enter. So this is the shortcut inside PHP Storm. So if you're using VS Code or any other IDE, the shortcut will be different. You can Google it, or you can simply add this use statement on the top. Okay, simply type this use statement on the top. So you can see these use statements are in gray. That's because we are not using it anymore. So remove those. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So these are the ones that we need. Okay, and here we are calling the function. Okay, so let's go to the function now. And here, okay, we have to give a name for the route also, because we have to call the route here. So let's give a name for the route. Call name. Okay, let's hit a backspace and hit enter once more. Okay, and here we can give the name. Okay, so I have given the name upload.file. Okay, So we can give one more thing, that is post. Okay, you can give any name according to your like. So I'm giving this name and we can paste the name here. So call the route method here. Route, and we are calling this route by the name, this one. Okay, this is the name for this route. Okay, so hope you understand that. We discussed about this earlier on the videos. So if you haven't watched that, you can go to the playlist below and watch that. Okay. So now we can go to the, here we are having everything. Yes, everything is done here. So nothing more here. So we are not going to design this. So this is it. Now we can go to the controller, and here we are going to call a simple function, that is $request of file, and give the name that we are passing. Okay, here we are passing this name. Okay, this is the name for the file, so give the name here. Okay, and then we can call one function, that is store. Okay, so now we can return this because it will be returning the path. So if you check here, we can see it is returning a string. Okay, so let's return this, return, and that's it. So we can try running this. So we have to go to the web.php and we have to call this route. Okay, so before that we have to specify the view also. We are not loading this view. We only have a post request here. So if you go to the index page, you can see we are returning this welcome view. So it will work if you're going to call the index. So let's create a new route so you can understand. So let's create a new route here, route, and you have to specify the get method because we are only having a post method for this. So let's call /u upload. Okay, now we can call the controller, that is upload manager, and class. Okay, so if you are calling a view, you don't have to do things like this. Okay, I'll show you a shorter way to do. That is, you can directly call view and you can pass the URL, upload, give a comma, and then you can pass the name of the view. That is the file name, that is welcome. Okay, now we are going to have a get method to the same URL. Okay, so let's go to this URL and try. So this is the index page. You can see that here. So the index page also we are calling the welcome page. That's why it is showing the same UI. So let's call our /upload here. Okay, and hit enter. You can see it is calling the same UI. Okay, so if you're having any doubt, you can leave a comment. I will explain those. Okay, now we are having a get and post request to the same URL. So let's select a file. So let's select this one. Okay, and click on submit. See, this is the file name. This is the path we got. So we're going to have this file inside our storage app folder. Okay, so let's go to the folder and check. So you can scroll down and you can see a storage folder here. Open this. Inside that we can see app. Open that. And if you check, you can see this file name. See, this is our image. Open this and you can see the image. See, so hope you understand that. So if you are not going to give any folder name or anything here, it will automatically upload it to the root directory, that is this app. Inside the storage app, it will upload to this folder. Okay, so let's specify a folder, maybe like images. Okay, and let's see what happens. So let's go to /uploads here and select a file. Let's select this one and click on submit. See, now it is showing /images/ the file name. So let's go to the folder and check. So here you can see that we are already having a folder images, and inside that we are having a file that is the image that we uploaded. So hope you understand. So let's try uploading one more image. So let's go to /uploads and select one more image and click on submit. Okay, so we uploaded one more image. So let's go to the folder and check. So you can see one more image is uploaded. So let's open this inside Explorer. Okay, so you can see this is the file we uploaded first time, and the second time we uploaded to the folder images. See, we are having all the images here, and the names are created randomly. So if you want to give a name, you can also do that. For that, you can go to the documentation. So here in the documentation, if you scroll further down, you can see another method, that is store as. And here we can pass the folder and then the name of the file also. So let's do that and check. So let's change this name of the function. So let's change this method to store as. And let's give the path and then the name of the file. So let's give a name by a manual name. So let's give a name something like file1. Okay, come here and give the name. So let's try refreshing the page. So let's come here and hit enter here, and now you can select a folder, file to upload, and click on submit. See, now this is the file. So you can see that we are not getting the file extension. That's because we didn't give the file extension. So let's go to the code and check. So here we are not giving the file extension. So if you go to the storage folder, so here inside the images, we can see file1, and it is not having an extension. So let's give the extension. So come here and put a dot here. So we can access the file once more like this. And inside that we can call hyphen get client original extension. Okay, this one. And this will give the extension of the file. So let me just hit enter from here. So it will be visible for you. Okay, hope it is visible for you. Okay, this is the file name and this is the extension. So let's change this to a variable so it will be easy for you to understand. So let's cut it from here. $file equal to this one. Okay, and here we can call $file. Okay, and here also $file. Okay, that's it. Okay, $1. Okay. Okay. Now, if you upload, it will be having the extension also. Let's try uploading it. So let's refresh the page. And here, select the file and click on submit. Okay, now we are getting the extension, but we forgot to add the dot here. Okay, so simply add the dot here. So let's add an dot here. Okay, so then only it will be accepted as an extension. So if you see here, we are having the extension also, but we are not having the dot here. Okay, so let's upload it once more. Refresh the page and select the file. Okay, and click on submit. See, now it is properly uploaded. And if you check the file name, you can see the file is properly uploaded. See, file1.png. See, so hope you understand how to upload file. So if you want to add validation, maybe like you have to set some restrictions, etc., you can use the $request of validate. Inside that, here give the file name, that is this one. Okay, so this is the name that we are passing from the form. And here we can give the restrictions. Maybe like you can set a restriction of 2 MB of upload size. First of all, we can set it to required and give a or symbol here, and maybe set a max upload size, max colon 2, I think 248, right? Okay, so I think this is the 2 MB. Okay, so now we can give a semicolon here and try running it and try uploading a file which is more than this. Okay, so before running it, we have to change the file name. Okay, so let's remove this name option that we are giving here because it will cause error. So let's keep it to store. Okay, so it will generate random names. Okay, so hope you understand. So let's run it once more. So let's hit and enter here. Okay, so let's select an image, something which is more than the size. So here I added an image which is above 2 MB restriction. So if you see, it is 2.6 MB. So let's select this image and click on submit. And see, we are getting the error, and that is the file size is more than the given size. Okay, so hope you understand that. So if you try to upload an image like this, it will upload. See, so hope you understand that. And that's it. So we forgot to give the path here. So you can give the path. Hope you understand that also. Images. Okay. So right now it is uploaded to the root folder. See this one. So hope you understand how to upload file in Laravel. If you are having any doubt, you can leave a comment and we will respond to all the comments. You can also join our Discord or WhatsApp group and we can have discussions there. Okay. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.